Hi there guys, this is Mind of Technology and Vlogs. Today I gonna clean my dirty Nissan Magnite. See how much dirty it is. I have done extreme off-roading so it looks like that. Now I will clean the whole car and I'll share you the whole experience. Please remember that using microfiber cloth should be done carefully, otherwise it might lead to scratches. Without further delays, let's get started. Firstly, they are cleaning the underbody of the Nissan Magnite with the help of a water sprayer. As you can see, it removes almost everything which is underneath the car. Now they are vacuuming the whole car. It's time to wash our car with water. Firstly, he will wash all the 3D mats, then he will wash the car. Now he is cleaning the wheel arches of the car. The cleaning process continues. It's time to wash the car with shampoo. The reason why we should apply the shampoo to the car is when shampoo flows along, it carries dust particles with it, so all the dust particles will be vanished. Applying shampoo for the second time. Rubbing the shampoo. Cleaning the wheels of the car. Washing the car. Cleaning the car with the help of microfiber cloth. As I said before, be careful while using microfiber cloth. Harsh using of microfiber cloth may lead to scratches on the car. Watch the interior of the car after cleaning. It looks superb. They have given papers for the footwell area. As you can see, the car is clean and tidy. Now I will show you how the car will be from the exterior after washing. The finishing touch will be given by polishing the wheel arches plastic with the help of a shining liquid. Wow, the car looks awesome after the car washing. I would prefer every car owner to do the car washing by external car decors, as they use professional machinery. So clean the car as many times as possible so it appears beautiful. The whole car washing is done by Bridgestone Auto Wash Care at Kurnool. They have all types of machinery, guys. They will also change you the wheels. They have Bridgestone wheels with them. They have all machinery. So I would prefer visiting them if you consider changing your tires or to do the car washing.